Each year, hurricane season brings challenges for those living in affected areas, but this year has been especially rough. As a community of artists, we know all too well that creativity can be a beacon of hope. We have chosen to come together to raise money for people who have been impacted by these catastrophic events. We've created videos for you to enjoy and art for you to bid on. Fluid Art Co has stepped up to do something very special. They've offered to sponsor the collaboration with a limited release pigment that they've named Benevolence. $5 of every jar sold will go towards the fund. Proceeds will be going to the Direct Relief Organisation. From all of us around the globe, we thank you for taking this on with us.
Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm very excited tonight because I'm working on my donation piece for the TLP Hurricane Relief Collab and Auction. So this piece you can bid on and help us raise money for directrelief.org. They're an amazing organization that was on the ground helping people immediately in the aftermath of Hurricane Helene, and they're still there helping out. And they were in Florida even before Milton hit. So this is an amazing organization. I'm happy that we are supporting them. And I'm really excited that we have 40 artists participating. This is amazing. We have 4 days of premiere trains. And then the auction will be on my channel on Sunday, November the 3rd. You can bid on all of these pieces. And the video will be pre-recorded so we can have all of the various art pieces in one channel, since it's coming from artists from all over the world. But the bidding will happen in the live chat. So I hope you join us and help us raise lots of money. So tonight I am working on a 24 by 24 inch canvas, and I'm going to do a pearl blowout. But I have a fun little composition in mind. I'm going to layer my colors first in a grid pattern like this, kind of like a plus sign, but I'm only going to blow one section out at a time using my pearl mix. And what I'm hoping for is to keep this kind of central composition, but I want the motion to change in each quadrant so that the motion kind of goes around in a circle. So, but using a very linear kind of composition. I think it should be fun. So that's my goal. It might just be a pretty blowout. We'll see. But I'm using some great colors. This color, what I haven't mentioned yet, was that TLP is the sponsor of this because they are doing something they have never done before, and that is that they're offering a limited release color just for this auction. So this is called Benevolence, and it's a beautiful dark turquoise, blue-green color, metallic. It's wonderful. It's kind of in the same range as Tail Feather, which is another one of their great colors, but it's more green and almost smoky looking. It's really beautiful. So I'm excited to use this in my color palette. And then because that is the color, oh gosh, I forgot. So this limited release is only available for the for this collab and auction, and they're donating $5 from the sale of each jar to Direct Relief also. So they're going to raise a lot of money, hopefully, in a completely different way from the rest of us artists, but we're all using this color if they can get it to us in time. And so I'm starting with this TLP, and then I have this mix of Amsterdam's greenish blue and cyan blue, and I have some Golden's Phthalo turquoise in there also. These are all very transparent colors, and they're going to dry very dark, so I'm excited about that. So sticking with the turquoise theme, I have Amsterdam turquoise blue, and then I also have Amsterdam turquoise green. This is a leftover color, and it's a little bit metallic, so I'm assuming there's probably some gold in there. And then I have another leftover color that is also in this turquoise blue range. It's a little smokier though, so I'm assuming that there's some black in there, probably some white also, to give it that kind of turquoise gray color. I think it's going to be beautiful. I have some leftover it was a gray, a very dark gray that I added some violet to for a recent pour. And I darkened it up just a little bit more before I thinned it out. So it's a gray violet color. So it'll be interesting to see if I see some violet in the blowout. And then, but it'll create some really great depth in the piece. And then I have some Amsterdam's pale gold. And then my pearl mix. All of these paints were mixed with my regular pouring medium of 2 parts US Floetrol, 1 part PVA Glue, 1 part gloss varnish. And then thinned down to a very thin consistency. In fact, it leaves a little bit of an indent. And then my pearl mix is that same pouring medium, but I'm also using Artist Loft Soft Body White and DecoArt Satin Enamels in this. So this should hopefully give me some pearls. And okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking because we have a very limited amount of time to keep these videos within 15 minutes. So this is going to be my base color. I'm gonna use this to create my grid pattern.
Beneath the shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could offer? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. To rise above these crowds, stuck in the dust of the life that you found, with nowhere to go, no higher ground. Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. Although you're earthbound. You're earthbound. I gotta wait for better days. It's all starting now. It's not too late, we can be saved if we make the time. It's gonna be alright. Had a clue, now I got a feeling. Just gotta hold on tight. Tonight, tonight, we're gonna be stronger. This is our fight. We're gonna be stronger. We won't back out of this fight. Have no regrets. Just hold your breath and then you'll be stronger. I wanna feel if this is real. It's easy if we try. 'Cause every night and every day I wanna run and die. It's gonna be alright. Had a clue, now I got a feeling. Just gotta hold on tight. Tonight, tonight, we're gonna be stronger. This is our fight. We're gonna be stronger. We won't back out of this fight. Have no regrets. Just hold your breath and then you'll be stronger. Gotta wait for better days. It's all starting now. It's not too late, we can be saved